Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates. So friends, this is the last video of our web series, and we are very happy to let you know that a lot of people have appreciated this video where they've learned few things. That is the whole idea. The whole idea is we only wanted to do one thing and do that really well. Is provide you financial, your wealth analysis, your succession planning, everything digitally. And I think we've been quite successful in that. That shows with the love which all of you have shown to us. I'm not the greatest of the coach, but the effort is very, very genuine. There are two things in this world which work for you. One is you, the man at work. And you know what is the second thing? Is your money at work. You need to ask yourself, is your money working as hard, as smart as you do? So it's not how much money you earn that matters. It's how much you invest or save that does. Starting from video 1 series to the video 14, all the money which you've saved, worked for, worked hard, your expenses, your risk profile, your goals, everything has been provided you in utmost clarity. We've always believed that clarity gives you power. Power gives you the potential to make a decision, an action, and action ultimately results in a lot of things which you want to achieve for your goals. Friends, advisory is old school now. We manage a lot of our clients, we've been advising, and now we've realized that coaching is the new thing, is the new school, is the new idea. And we like to all of our clients let them know how self-sufficient they can be with all these digital platforms which we provide for your financial analysis, your wealth analysis, your succession planning, the clarity in your report, all the details provided on your app. The whole idea is we always tell our team that stop hunting and start farming. So we're basically coaching you so that you can be self-sufficient. Everything can be done by you. Whenever you need hand-holding, you're always there. So start thinking by growing your thought balance if you wish to grow your bank balance. And are you ready to be coachable? As a coach, a lot of times I've been very candid to few of my clients, but I put down my step and said you need to stop investing because we don't have surplus. So this video is all about cash flow surplus. This I will not explain you what to do. You yourself would have to understand that is there any surplus? If yes, you really want the surplus to work for you. So start taking action on it today. Sachin Tendulkar, I'm sure everybody knows him. He's one of the greatest batsmen ever in the history of cricket. Now when Sachin goes to play a game and when he comes back, you know what his coach does? He watches his games 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 times and understands what is his weakness. What is the area where he needs to improve on? What is the area where he needs hand-holding? Similarly, as a coach, Wealth Munshi is watching each and every rupee of yours. They are seeing all clarity on your finances. They want to see what is the gray area, what is your weakness, where are you not working properly, what can be improved. So for that, you have to now start becoming coachable. You have to start thinking that there's a coach who wants you to improve not on your batting, but on your finances. Are you coachable? I'm asking you this again. So what is the role of a coach is primarily help you understand where you're going, how you're going, and what mode, what method you need to take to reach to your goal. You know, the best thing for you to learn or become coachable or start taking action is from all the videos, take out, learn at least one topic a month and start working on it, start actioning on it. If you start actioning on it at least 15 minutes a month, that will make a big impact over a period of 6 months to 1 year. That's how I've learned a lot of things. And me and my entire team is always available to provide you any kind of digital solutions or help whenever needed. We are always there for you. first thing you need to start working on is, does Wealth Munshi provide you a pending actionable list? If yes, start checking on that, start working on that. It's very important for you that action starts within you. The team is ready to help you, but if you do not take action, everything is of no value. So you need to ask yourself, does your coach, Wealth Munshi, or implement or does action on what he coaches or preaches you? Is the Wealth Munshi team patient listeners? Do they believe in action? Are they disciplined? Do they follow a step-by-step process? Do they do a thorough background check, understanding your needs and wants, and then give you a recommendation to work on? Do they deliver on what they've promised? It could be the investment, implementation, giving you digital platforms for your financial analysis, wealth analysis, your locker, your app, etc. And last but not the least, are they trying to help you by the mode of web series and the weekly WhatsApp tutorial which we work on? I'm sure a lot of you would have already subscribed for it. Are they ready to coach you? I'm damn sure the answer would be yes. Now it's for you to time to take action. And I always tell all my investors that actions make dreams possible. If you just dream about it and don't take any action, nobody in this world would be able to help you. And trust me on this, a lot of investors talk to us about direct investment, doing DIY from direct websites. A coach is not going to be there for you to guide you, to handhold you, to tell you what is right and what is not. We have seen this during the COVID times. A lot of people have made mistakes by doing some transactions which was not needed in the heap of time. In the end, the whole idea of these web series and the weekly WhatsApp tutorial is to make you self-sufficient to manage your finances digitally. We would like to thank our entire team, my wife, Ms. Masoom Sanghi, both my daughters, Ms. Shaya and Ms. Shanaya Sanghi, my parents who always guided me to feel your gut and do whatever best you can. It could be anything, including selling a pan. So we are just trying to do our best on financial analysis, wealth analysis and succession planning. My entire digital marketing team has been working on it day in and day out to give you information about how to manage your finances. Last but not the least, all the investors like you who are watching this video, without your love, your affection, your understanding that we are doing something good for you, we would have been nowhere. And I'm sure this would have helped everyone learn at least one thing from the web series. We'll be very happy to know if everything, all the web series, if you watched and if you've learned, please do share your feedback. Last but not the least, we can only show you the path, but you will have to walk through it. Stay digital, stay safe. From our entire team of Wealth Munshi, we wish you a financially secure and a positive future.